In this lecture, we are going to discuss a special operator known as conditional operator. The conditional operator replaces certain statements of the if-then-else form. It is also known as ternary operator. Why ternary operator? It will become clear in a moment. And the general form is expression 1 question mark, expression 2 colon, expression 3, and at the end we have to put a semicolon. Expression 1 is a relational expression which compares some values. If the result of comparison is true, then expression 2 will be executed, and if the result of comparison is false, then expression 3 will be evaluated. Let us take an example. Here x is 10 and y is equal to this expression which is written using the conditional operator. X greater than 9 is a relational expression, and if this x greater than 9 is true, then y will be assigned the value 100, and if it is false, then y will be assigned the value 200. In this case x is 10, so x greater than 9 is true, y will be assigned the value 100. Okay, and you can also implement the usual program which we wrote to find whether a is greater than b or not. So we wrote if a is greater than b, then cout a is greater, else cout b is greater. Okay, the same piece of code can be written using the conditional operator as what we are going to evaluate, a greater than b, and after the question mark we will write what should be executed if this is true. So if this is true, we should print cout a is greater, and if this is false, we should print cout b is greater, and at the end we have to put a semicolon. Now, why is this called a ternary operator? This is called a ternary operator because it takes three operands: operand 1, operand 2 and operand 3.